over the wall on the loot. Okay, good shit, step back now. Okay, they're gonna loot soon, party 2 can get ready.
Okay, party 2 watch the choke, party 2 Party 2 you're gonna engage on the loot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on...
You can go deep a bit,
Go deeper, catch these guys, catch all these guys. Okay, now back up. Defense is in the front, and back up.
Party 1 get ready, party 1 get ready, cover the engage, okay?
Huge, dude, they're all on the loot right
southwest
now.
on the loot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, party 1 now, they're all the loot. Yo, nice fucking grill, boy. Yo, delete that shit, boy. Okay, walk back through the choke, office.
Now back up. Defense is in front,
Yo, defense on front line.
Okay, party 2 you're gonna look down at the loot again. Party 2 you're gonna look at the loot. Party 2 you're gonna look at the loot. You're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the loot right now. How the damage you can get, and then back up, shallow. Back up now. Don't
Yo,
go too deep.
party 1 back out northeast, party 1 back out northeast also. Yo, listen, we need high name tags, okay? If you're not engaging, right, can you not step up southwest, so you know, so they don't know? Party 1 get ready southwest over the wall in 5, step up now, 4, 3, 2, 1, step up to the choke and hit southwest. On the loot, it's fucking huge again. Yo, this is like Fame Farm, yo, come back northeast. Yo, come back northeast,
Hold up.
Yo, so party 1 go to the door, okay, party 2 get ready.
Hold up. I don't see a clump. Now they're all on the loot again. Party 2, you're gonna get ready. We're gonna pop a spin, we're gonna drop everything on the loot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop everything on the loot. They back up. Okay, back up. Cancel engage. Back up. They're all going to the north, the west corner, yeah? So get ready. Defenses in front, locals in front. Now back up.
Party 1 get ready, just hold. Party 1 get ready.
We're getting caught.
Yo, it's fine. Yo, draw locals on my front line. Drop locals for that. Yo, party 1 engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now. Yo, party 1 engage deep. Yo, after my engage,
Party 2, heal up. Okay, ready, party 2. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage in. Hit the top. Now back up through choke again. Reset. Dude, this fucking glowing gold, bro.
Yo, party 1 get ready 5 seconds, okay? Yo, straight line southwest, okay? Get ready, boys. In 5, step out down, 4, 3, 2, 1. Give me a nice fucking come down on the south. Okay, yo, party 2, you can engage. Yo, party 1 step back northeast. Party 1
Party 2, you're gonna look south.
Actually, yo, full reset.
No.
Cancel. Yeah, they're not there. They're
Yo.
fucking far left.
Profus, next engage, we attack together. Right? I will engage towards the northwest. We're gonna wipe the northwest group.
Okay. Yo, okay, so basically, party 2 go deep west, right? I'll engage deep south, okay? You get it, boys. Yo, step up now. We go deep together, okay? You get it.
Getting kidnapped.
Yo, it's fine. Good bit. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, party 1 go deep south.
Party 2 no. Engage on the fucking Juggernaut up top.
Okay, start coming.
Wipe all these guys. And then back up.
I need defense on the south.
Defense on the south, and then back up. Defenses on the south, and then back up. Back up. Everybody back up.
Yo, drop me on locals on front line. Yo, drop me on locals on south. Yo, guys, you come back. Yo, if you need to faster, come back.
We drop it back. Drop back.
Yo, get it, we go south. Yo, party 1 only, okay? Southwest deep, okay? In 5. Yo, they're all on loot. 4, party 1, 3, 2, 1. Now, south, party 1. Don't go deep. Listen, hit the golem. Okay.
Okay, party 2 get ready, engage. Party 2 get ready, engage. Party 2 get ready. Look at all the loot. Go south of the loot in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go south of the loot. Look at this cannon. Look at the huge cannon. Now back up. Get ready. Back up. Don't go too deep. Back up. Back through the choke. Defenses on the choke.
Yo, listen, everybody back out northeast. Yo, we need to be
going for the back, bro.
Yeah, they're going for the back. So listen, come to the northeast, same shit. Come to the door. Pretend we're going back, okay? Then we do same shit. Yo, just hold. They're gonna try to loot there, okay? They're gonna check like every single cop there, 100%. Yo, party 1 get ready, okay? Party 1 get ready in 5, 3, 2, 1. Now. Over the wall. They're fucking looting. Holy shit, they're fucking looting again. Okay, step back now.
We're gonna go further. We're gonna go further south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 going.
Yo, listen, they're on the back. Yo, listen,
Back up. Back up through the choke.
Yo, listen, we kite towards the static now. Yo, listen.
Every walk not to static. Walk to static.
We need to walk through the bridge, okay? Yo, hold for our backline. Careful.
Back up.
Listen, everybody just
Drop one locus in front.
just get through the choke. Yo, drop 1 locus for my backline. Drop 1 locus for my front line. Yo, nice locus. Okay, everybody get through. Back get through. Okay, listen, party 1 engage southeast in 5. Yo, party 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, party 1. Don't go deep. Just at the entrance. Okay, and come back fast.
Party 2 draw defensive locus for them. Defensive locus. Now back up. Go back through. You wanna hold tower?
No, we can
I
hold
don't
here.
think
We can hold here first. We can do 2 engages on this bridge. Like basically, right, the first engage, like I will go shallow and then you like, you know, you delete the shit on top of the re-engage. Okay, just hold. I'm waiting for my cooldowns. Yes.
I lost some members here. You know what? I do a shallow engage, you do deeper. I think that's more effective.
Okay. I send more deep.
Okay, party 1, we're gonna engage shallow. Party 1, get ready. We're gonna engage shallow in 5, 4, 3. Nah, fuck. Cancel. Focus at the front. They spread out all the way, bro.
What the fuck? Where are they going? Yo, listen, go tower. Where the fuck are they going? Just go tower. Fuck it.
Maybe you just spawn out and run.
Dude, they're fucking mounted, bro.
Yo, kill all the shit on the tower.
Sorry, bros. There's a guy in the tower, man. Kill the guy in the tower.
What the fuck? Why is he there? Yo, kill him. What the fuck?
Oh, no, he's below.
Oh, what the fuck? Hello?
Dude, it look like on top, bro.
Yo, listen, come back to the. Yo, listen, we engage northeast. They're trying to pass through a choke. Yo, engage northeast in 5. Yo, party 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, party 1, go deep. Go deep northeast. Hit northeast. Party 1, hit northeast.
Okay, party 2, we're gonna engage northeast in 5, 4.
There's no one.
No, they back up. They go. Cancel. Back up. Defensive locus in front.
Yo, come out to tower. Everybody come out to tower. Yo, listen, don't push out. Yo, come to tower. Don't push out. Yo, fuck you, Rick, come back. What the fuck? Yo, kill this growth. He's dead. We do 2 engage on this like long choke, right? Will be good. We just can't go deep,
Yeah.
Actually, like deep is fine, but just don't go too deep, you know? Okay, listen, party 1 engage northeast over the wall in 5. Party 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, party 1 now. Party 1 northeast, hit north over the wall. Hit north over the wall, directly north. There's a huge fucking clump, boys. Okay, back us somewhere. Don't engage too fast, but yeah, like just chill. Like don't engage too fast. Like only if you see them stepping
Pushing
out.
on the
right,
west
then
side as well.
Okay. Actually,
No,
there's
I need our whole west.
Okay. Okay. Actually, you can bomb like over tower. Yo, they're trying to rotate west. Okay, you listen. We bomb over the wall north. Okay, yo, party 1 only. Yo, party 2 just hold west. Party 1 over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit down. Directly north. Okay, and come back. Come back.
Magic locus, please.
Your party 2 engage north over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 north over the wall. Party 2 north over the wall.
Okay, back up. Now back up.
Yo, listen, party 1 go west. We engage west, okay? West and then north over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. Party 1 engage west. Yo, party 2 get ready, okay? Yo, don't go deep. What the fuck? Where are you guys going so deep? Yo, back up. Yo, give me a locus on the northwest side. Why are you guys going so fucking deep? Just bomb over the wall.
Okay, party 2, we're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 2 engage. Engage on the engage.
It's huge.
And then back up.
Yo, party 1 get ready. 10 seconds. Yo, why you guys go so deep? What the fuck? I'm confused. Like, I literally just told you go deep. Yo, party 1 get ready northwest, okay? Party 1 engage northwest in 5. Don't go deep, please. 4, 3, 2, 1. Northwest now. Just hit the front. There's so fucking clump. Yo, party 2 get ready. Okay? Yo, party 1 step back.
I got no cooldowns, bro.
How long? Should be like 5 seconds.
10 seconds.
10? Okay, fuck. We need to chill for a bit. Wait, our cooldown sync up. Yo, we just full reset our cooldowns, okay? Just chill.
They're all on the loot again.
Yo, party 2 engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, party 2 engage. Okay, my guys, 5 seconds cooldown. You guys come back fast, okay? Come back fast. Nice, go engage, come back fast.
Yeah, then back up,
Party
then
1
back up,
get ready,
then back
party
up.
1 get ready.
Defensive
Party
locus in
1,
front?
not yet, just hold. Just hold, then they come. It's fine. Yo, party 1 engage northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now party 1 engage northwest. Don't go deep. There's so many people on the front. Just delete the front, okay? And come back surface.
Party 2, get ready. We're looking up. Party 2, get ready. We're gonna engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the loot right now.
Okay, we need to defend on front line, please.
Look, defensive locus on the front. Now back up,
Yo, party 1 get ready, 5 seconds. Party 1, yo,
Rolling
thanks for them. Yo, party 1 get ready, okay? Party 1 get ready, northwest, okay? Hold. Party 1 northwest in 5, step out now. 4, 3, 2, 1, party 1. Delete these motherfuckers, boys.
They're coming through our back on the east
Party
side.
2, Party 2, look at east. We're gonna engage east in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Wipe all these guys pushing through.
Listen, party 1 go east also, party 1 go east also. Party 1 walk east, walk east, walk east. Yo, draw them through a choke, draw them through a choke.
No,
I'm waiting
they
for my
back up,
cooldown
they back
5
up,
seconds.
they backed up,
Yo,
they
yo,
backed up.
party 1 go back west, party 1 go back west. Okay, you listen, everybody come west, just focus west. Yo, listen, just leave like one grill just go east, okay? It's fine. Yo, party 1 get ready, engage in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Party 1 engage now. Party, yo, shallow engage, okay? Yo, party 2 get ready, the next one is gonna be huge. Party 1 come back, party 1 come back, party 1 come back. Yo, don't drop local so early, please, okay? Okay, party 2 get ready, okay? Just
We're
hold,
gonna
just hold.
watch. We're gonna engage on the loots in 5, in 4 on the west, in
Yo,
3,
party 1 look east,
1.
party
Party
1
2,
look east.
party 2 go west, party 2 go west. Look at this choke right now. Look at all these guys here. Kill this cannon. Okay, now back up. Holy shit, I got
They're
nobody,
moving
bro.
east side now.
I got
Right,
nobody.
okay, yo, listen, Grill Seeker, right, hold west, okay? We're gonna go east, okay? Yo, party 1 engage. Yo, what's your cooldown? What's your cooldown first? What's your cooldown?
550.
Okay, like, we wait for full cooldowns, just chill. They're mostly on the east side. Like, if you come out to a tower, you can literally see like where most of them are. Okay, you're so defensive, hold west, right? We're gonna go east, okay? Yo, listen, party 1, right? Bomb, sprint up northeast, hit north over the wall in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now hit north over the wall, hit north over the wall, hit north over the wall. Directly north, it's fucking huge, holy shit! Okay, yo, come back. Can you engage for me? They're all
Okay,
coming.
party 2, we're gonna walk northeast. We're gonna engage northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage on the choke right now. Look at this cannon. Look at the juggernaut. Kill the juggernaut. I got no damage, bro. Like absolutely nothing. I think a lot of people died.
Yeah. It's fine. Okay, we double engage now, okay? Yo, actually, wait, let me check. We double engage, we engage together now, okay?
You wanna get out with the W, bro?
Don't know if we
I
can.
engage northwest, northeast, and then you engage after me, and then we just pop a sprint up towards the fucking bridge.
Cannot, there's more people there, like you can see from the east side.
Trash your gears, boys.
You wanna go west?
Yo, no, we fight to a dead boy. Yo, northwest, okay? Deep northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yo, northwest. Yo, listen, delete this shit northwest, okay?
Party to go with them.
And then come back southeast.
I don't have
Listen,
enough for second engagement.
Come back south, no, it's fine. Yo, listen, we die like fucking men, okay? Yo, come back south. Just hold. They're trying to loot, okay? Just chill. You get in northwest again, okay? Just hold them. Just hold them northwest. You get it, they're all northwest, okay? Just wait. They're looting again northwest. Yo, listen, tanks CC them northwest, we are engaged in 5. Yo, tanks CC. 4, deep northwest. 3, step up northwest. 2, 1, deep northwest again. Yeah, I lost a lot of DPS also. Come back south. Like more of my DPS are dead. Yo, come back south. Yo, drop me a locals on the
Mine
front
also.
line. Come back south. Let me check the situation. Okay. We go northeast, we engage northeast now. 5 seconds, Gary. They have a mammoth now.
Fuck them, mammoth coming.
You get in, yo, hold on in the show. You get in, northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, engage northeast now. You pass the mammoth, hit the guys at the back.
Everything you got these guys, get those cannon.
Good shit. Yo, come back and try to stabilize, Okay, they're pushing both sides now. Listen, we stabilize, just stabilize, try to stabilize, okay? Stabilize. Yo, spread out southeast, Yo, just spread out and try to stabilize, okay? We hit west in 5, 4. Yo, actually we still on cooldown. Yo, just chill, come south. You chill, we're still on cooldown, okay? Just hold. Yo, get it, northeast choke, okay? Everything you got already. Last one, final one, go deep northeast in 5, 4, 3, 2, go deep northeast. They're all on the choke, deep northeast. Just engage northeast now.
Look at the huge cannon.
Yo, okay, kill whoever you can now. We die like fucking men, boys. Good job. Yo, good job today. Yo, we're still killing people. What the fuck? Yo, listen, come east. Yo, those that are alive, come east. Yo, those that are alive, come east. Yo, hug this shit. We're gonna be the biggest fucking club in the entire fucking world. Yo, come east.